How to put batteries in Xbox Series S controller. So as you can see, I have two batteries there, but currently I have a wire in my Xbox Series S controller. So if I take it out, you can see it can't be turned on because there is no batteries in there currently. So how you're going to want to do it, first of all, to be able to get it off, is just go ahead and gently press up with the little plastic piece on the back. And then there you should see inside there should be a plus and minus sign. That's going to be very important. So on your batteries you'll have a plus and minus sign, whether you're using Duracell, rechargeable batteries or other brands. All you're going to want to do is go ahead and press it in on the side where it has the plus. So connect the pluses together. And the other one's going to be the opposite side. So turn it around the other way. Put them both in like so. Make sure they're firmly pressed in, otherwise it won't work. Then go ahead and just slide the piece of plastic back on the back of the controller. There you'll be able to go ahead and press the Xbox middle button like so, and then it'll be working as you wish. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.